Well, today is a day for mugging. I was able to dump my entire coffee pot in here this morning. Um, you know, I mean, I left-handed, which is good because, yeah, then that. But man, that thing is heavy and it's not microwave safe. So I think I probably need to drop it in my handy dandy grocery store Santa mugs, which I haven't had in years. So I think I'm going to do that because this is a lot easier to handle. Much better. And actually, I'm really surprised because this could handle almost all of the coffee in that big giant mug. Looks like Santa is looking up at the passing of the coffee through the top of his head. It's fun. I like how grocery stores lately are selling all this kind of stuff. So, well, they're getting you where you live, so you don't have to go out of your way shopping. It's just right there where you get your food. So anyway, bon appetit, happy coffee. Oh wait, one more sip, this time from the back side. This little ivy or whatever you would call that, holly, I guess it is. It's kind of in the way of me drinking. It's in the way of my lips, but so I think I prefer being a lefty for that reason. Let's go for that. Okay. Okay. Nothing like getting your caffeine on. Cheers.